Hey, thanks for signing up. I'm Rob from Matrix Construction, and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of how we handle renovations, whether you're using a 203K loan or doing a private renovation. First, we check zoning and feasibility based on your location and project scope. Then, we give you a rough estimate, so you have a general idea of costs. If the estimate looks good, we schedule a field visit to see the space in person. But if you send us some pictures beforehand, it'll speed up the process and help us give you a more accurate estimate faster. Not sure what to capture? No worries. We can send you simple instructions on how to take the right photos and videos. After that, we get into the details, layouts, 3D designs, and a precise estimate. Once that's ready, we'll go over everything on a Zoom call, make any changes needed, and when you're happy, we sign the contract and start construction. If you're using a 203K loan, we start the same way, checking zoning and feasibility. The next step depends on whether you're already under contract for a property. If you are, we'll do a field visit, put together a detailed estimate, and coordinate with your lender. If you're still searching, we'll send you our pricing guide and give you ballpark numbers so you know what to expect before making an offer. That's pretty much it. We handle everything from start to finish, so you don't have to worry about anything. We'll be in touch soon, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to working with you.